Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the TikTok message filter. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so I'm using TikTok Vietnam, so my layout is like this. Maybe you are in different country, so your layout might be little different. Okay, so here slide right until you find spatial. Tap there. Okay, slide up until you see this image. Find this image in your layout and tap on it, and this is the filter. You can tap here to edit a sender. Okay, let's write XYZ. Okay, and tap here to, not here, the bottom, to write it message. Okay, hit done. Okay, so to use this effect, what you have to do, you have to press and hold the record button, and after 5 seconds you will get this pop-up. So let's try it. Likewise. Okay, let me discard this. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover. Let's go to discover, and you can search for message filter. Okay, here you will see lots of video with this effect, so tap on any video you want. Okay, now at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see this effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see this record button. You can tap there, and from here also you can use this effect. Likewise. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this also, then what you can do, let me close this screen first. Then you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok. And likewise also you can get this effect on TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this message filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.